Got some more steel here today. Gonna do another project. Gonna make a homemade metal brake so I can bend some metal up for some other projects. Okay, I was gonna use this thing, but I found this guy. It's like a crossbar to my rack. And so I'm just gonna use this guy because it's a little bit longer. So basically that'll take up the hinge space and then I'll have a little more. And this is a piece of angle iron for the top. I'm gonna bolt down, made these flat spots, drill a couple holes, and then I have to finish welding up these. I was just tack welding it to see how it was gonna work. Okay, welds are done, holes are drilled. Wedging this thing through here, gonna cut what I need, send the rest away. All thread is in spot. I'm gonna flip it over and weld the bottoms. That way they're permanent, and then I'm gonna make this hole a little bigger on the angle iron. That way it's easier to lift up and down. I have the washer, I'm not worried about it. Moves up and down real good. So for the nut adjustment on here, I don't want to have to spin this little tiny thing. So I have this extra 9/16 wrench. I'm going to weld it over that. That way I can use this. Then I'm going to cut it in half and do the same for the other side. Okay, I fucked up on this one. Made the welds too fat. Tried to drill the hole through again so the all thread would fit. And I fucked up the threads. So I got a new one. Before I go welding up those new wrenches, I'm going to try to tap this thing. But if it doesn't work, the new wrench it is. Well, the tap totally worked. Finish the other one. Just giving this thing a little threading. Both sides are now whizzing on and off. That's good. Next step. So for the handle, I found this pipe. Don't know what the hell it is, like some old plumbing pipe or some shit. But cut it in half, and then drill some holes right there. Fucking weld it to it. Give the hinges a little lube. Ew. Oh yeah. Fucking smooth, dude. Gonna pretty things up a little bit. Paint it. Okay, I just gave this thing a little scuff job because it's probably gonna get fucked up during use anyways. So just gonna give these a little paint job and call her good. Bolt it down. Out of wire. Fresh spool. It's just to the top of this fucking pallet table, but it's pretty sturdy. Freaking, I was gonna do this piece overhang, but it doesn't go down any past that anyways, so it would just be hanging out here. So that's cool enough for me. Okay, this thing's officially donezo, painted up and everything, waiting on the paint to dry so I could scratch the fuck out of the paint while doing a bend. Okay, I'm gonna try this bend first. I drill a few lines on here, each 5 inches apart. I'm gonna try to make like a 5-inch box. Oh yeah, it works fucking good. Damn. Look at that. Scuffing the paint just like I wanted. Perfect. That's pretty fucking sweet though. Here. Bends pretty fucking good. a little box, 5-inch box. Pretty decent corners. I could have been a little more precise on my measurements, but so it looks like the tightest bend I can make is like just past 90, but I could cut off these long old freaking all threads. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.